Hello friends, welcome to my channel Data Activator. So today I am going to discuss a very interesting part, and that is highlight generation. How we can generate a highlight of a PUBG game using only Python code without using any machine learning or deep learning concept. So first of all I will show you the structure how it is going to be. As you know, all of my files I put it on desktop and there inside the project. So I have created a folder PUBG. Here you can see I have a PUBG game video. So this game is from Soul Mortal, which they have won in the last year 2019, where they got the chicken dinner in PMCO global final. So around more than 20 countries players come and participate there. So our Indian team was represented by Soul and they won the chicken dinner there. So you can see this match was around
टाइटंस है, इन्होंने काफी
36
अच्छा
minute
गेम दिखाया,
long.
बट क्लोज आउट
So
करने में कहीं ना कहीं ये मार खा
I will
जाते हैं.
generate a highlight
अब
of this
जॉर्जियो पूरा
match,
लूटेंगे कंटेनर साइड और
and that
वहां
will
से
be
निकलेंगे. I
around
know
4 or 5
गेम
minutes
हो गया.
only.
नहीं तो
Can watch
क्या,
this video.
बट
This
बात
is
है यहाँ पे
around
ओवेस को बचाना
36
पड़ेगा, बट
minute
वाइपर
long. So we'll
मॉर्टल सब
generate a
काफी दूर है. यहाँ पे
highlight
मुझे
of
लगता
this
नहीं है
match.
कि ओवेस को डेटे उन्हें काफी ज्यादा बुलेट उनकी वेस्ट करा ली और इंस्टेंटली
Okay,
मिंग ने
let me close
सपोर्ट.
it. I have already generated the highlight and I have saved it here. Once our coding part will be done, I will show you that. So let's go to my Jupyter lab now. I have written all the codes there, and also you can download this from my video description or from GitHub. Actually I read an article on analyticsvidya.com and I found where they have implemented cricket highlights, so I tried to use that concept in my PUBG for PUBG highlight. So what the concept is, like you have to input the full match video, whatever match it can be cricket match or football match. You have to put the video file and you need to extract the audio. So I will give a link of website where you can extract the audio by from uploading a video. So that is free of cost. You just need to upload the video and extract the audio part. And now what our this Python file is going to do, we'll break the audio into chunks like 10 seconds or 15 seconds chunk. Will break the audio and we'll calculate the energy, like the pitch. And so for that we will use the Librosa library of Python. So we'll calculate the energy of one audio chunk, and similarly we'll calculate the energy of all the chunks. Then we'll see what is the maximum threshold value, or at what time viewers and commentators their sound got loudness, because whenever the interesting events come, commentator speak in a loud and also spectators cheers up. So we'll extract those part for making the highlight. So what I have done, I have uploaded my audio file here, that is soul pmco chicken dinner.wave, and I have read this file in a variable soul with the sample rate of 16,000. Now once we calculate the length of the audio file, as you have seen, that was 36 minute long and 44 second was there. So it has calculated 36 minute long the audio file is. Now we'll slice this audio into a chunk of 10 seconds. So we are making an audio slice, and now we can see the one of the part of the, so load a audio chunk and listen it. So let me just play.
पावर काफी स्ट्रांग है, तो वहां किसी टीम को उनको पेनिट्रेट करके वो पोजीशन लेने में
As
काफी
you can
दिक्कत
listen
होगी.
this song. So this is the only one audio chunk. Similarly there will be a lot of chunk which will create in later part. Now we'll calculate the energy of, that is 1387 hertz. Now we'll visualize this energy in a time series. As you can see, the amplitude and time series is there, and as the time has progressed, this this visualization is only for that our audio chunk file of 10 seconds only. As you can see, the amplitude has changed. So based on this condition, we are going to calculate the energy of complete audio file. So this was energy of one file. Our complete file has been saved in a variable soul. So we'll calculate the complete energy of our whole file. We'll call inside the length of soul, we'll calculate the energy formula, that is sum of absolute and then length of square. So once we create the energy of all the complete audio, we can see that it has created an array of separate chunks. So all items inside this array are the energy of separate chunks, as you can see 1132 4263. So this was the energy of all individual chunks, and we can see we have total 221 energy we got in our array. Now once we plot this energy on a histogram, we can see that all of the chunks, all of the energy are right skewed, like most of the distribution got flattened or tailed away at the right part. So we can take 5000 or 6000 as our threshold value, because after this energy part only the loudness in commentator's voice has increased. So we'll clip those audio part only, and we'll take the time, and when we'll extract the video, we'll extract those parts only. So now we are creating a data frame where we'll save the energy value and the start and end time for that. So we have set the threshold value as 5000. We can like you can try out on different threshold value also, like you can try out on 6000. So what we are doing, we are taking the start and end time from this audio file and saving it in our data frame. Now once you see the output of data frame, you can see the start point was 20 and 30, then it also showing the energy. Since we have set the threshold value as 5000, this one is 10,000. So all the energy from this array which will have the value greater than 5000 will come to our data frame. You can also see that from 800 start point it has ended till 810, and then 820 to 830, so and also 830 to 840. So as you can see, this second energy block has ended at 830 and then started also at 830. So we will, in the next part, we'll combine this energy part, and we'll make this as a start of 820 and end at 840. So we'll just merge this part. So in the next part, what we are doing, we are merging the audio clip where we have this ending point of one video and the starting point of the next audio should be, if that are matching, we'll just merge them. So we have merged them, and now we can see that from 800 to 810 the first audio part was there, from 820 to 840. So we have merged those two audio here. Similarly, you can see from 1250 to 1270, as you can see here we have two separate audio chunks for 1250 to 1260, then 1260 to 1270. So in our data frame, we just merged the start and end time to one audio chunk. Now the last part which we are going to do, that is based on this start and end time, we are going to clip out the video part. So we'll load the original video that was 36 minutes long, and based on this start and end value, we are going to clip out the video. So once I had run this command, I got 5 to 6 clip, I guess 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I got total of 7 clip. As you can see, a total of 7 timing was there. So we got 7 video clip, and I have saved that video clip here. I deleted that part. Now what you need to do, just use any online video editor or your VLC player. Just merge all those 7 video, and that will be your highlight. So in the starting of this video, I have shown you the original match where Soul Mortal has got chicken dinner. Now I'm going to show the highlight. So the original video was 36 minutes long. You can see the highlight will be around 3 minutes. You can see the highlight is around 3 minutes. You will get complete match details here.
हो सकती है RRQ जैसी टीम बाउंस बैक करने के लिए,
वो धीरे-धीरे प्लेयर आगे बढ़ रहा है। क्या यहाँ पे कुछ होगा? ओवेश, what are you trying to do? I don't know what just happened.
यहाँ पे पता नहीं कुछ मैसअप,
थोड़ी गलती हो गई थी। वाइपर ने उनको इंस्टेंटली गेम से बाहर निकाला। क्या यहाँ पर एक प्लेयर बचा है? 6 प्लेयर है, 4 सोल है, एक और अब वो टाइम आ चुका है यहाँ बर्लिन के
पे बेजा ने सोल के लिए काम और आसान करते हुए 4 बंदे बचे। वाइपर प्रोडक्ट पे सोल ओवेस के रैंडम से बेजा ओवेस के बहुत ही अपडेट टीम सोल ओवेस बोल द पब्लिक।
और
So this is the way we can create a highlight of any match. So the concept is extract the audio, get a threshold energy value, and extract the your video clip on those threshold value. So that's it for today's video. If you like the content and you want to see some more videos, please like this video and also subscribe to the channel.